Hello everybody, welcome to Teardown, episode 5. It is raining at my little warehouse right now. Whoa! You know, this rain is so cool. I just want to freaking break something. Ah! Oh! Oh yeah. Alright, well, let's get into a mission. So I left off with this guy. I stole tools for this guy. There's gonna be a parade, I think, or a celebration day for Walkel. That'll be huge fireworks, a big celebration with guards and tanks. Is that tank? Are those tanks? What the hell? Okay, we got a new character. Missing artwork. Good evening. I'm a claim adjuster at Kearthy Insurance Group, investigating an art incident that happened to Gordon Wu recently. That was me stealing from Gordon Wu, stealing all his paintings. Mr. Wu claims to know who's responsible for the stolen paintings, and Mr. Lawrence Lee Jr., but he's very keen to not involve the police. Gordon's account has caused us some financial strain recently, and it is in our interest to bring back the paintings as discreetly and swiftly as possible. According to our intelligence, these paintings are hidden at the marina. I know Gordon has been working with you in the past. Maybe you can help me out? Okay, well, I guess I'll steal back some paintings that I stole. Okay, next mission. Art return. Here's my van. So wait. Oh, I saw it after I saw the paintings. I actually did give it to Lee. That actually makes sense. Why I did. I don't know why. I guess I assumed that I kept them for some reason. Okay. Oh, so I think I can just steal them without like a timer. Whoa! God damn. Oh wait, I can't set off the fire alarm. Wait. Extinguish it, bro. That's actually gonna be a challenge. I was like wondering why there's no thing with the timer. Oh my god, dude. I gotta extinguish another one. Urgh. You know, I've been swapping between like third person and first person a lot. I personally like first person a little more. What do you guys like? Do you like seeing me playing third person or first person? Oh my god, bro. Freaking stop causing fires, lightning. Well, I think I just gotta like walk around and like take them. I don't even gotta like make a plan or anything. So I'm gonna go do that. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's so gonna spread. Open the door. I'm a firefighter now. That's my new job. Grab valuable. Oh, I got money. Fuck. Fuck, fuck. What's on fire? Dude, the fireworks going up. Where's the fire? Oh, shit. Put it out. Put it out. Dude, oh my god. At least the firework isn't that strict. Like if this was like an actual like fire, there was like an actual fire alarm here. Oh my god. It would be off by now for sure. Can't jump up there though. Okay, we're good, we're good. Oh, wait, where's the upstairs? Too steep. Oh my god, I only have 3 left, bro. Ugh. not here. Wait. Where's this painting? Oh. Oh my god. I was literally right next to it. Okay, well, I found the painting. Next one. Oh wait, no, the next one's in like the docks. Next to that huge yacht. Oh shit. Put it out. This is definitely a unique mission. I did not think I would be a firefighter. Oh no. No, put it out, put it out. Get up. Get up. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Put the fire out. Okay, there. We're good. We're good. Freaking stupid lightning striking everywhere I walk. Oh, there's still some. There. Oh, it's under the bed. Wait, I didn't even grab that one? Oh my. I think that's fine. I was heading that way anyway, I guess. I must have grabbed some valuable. That was not the painting or something. Oh, it's like up there. Now I got it. Okay, next one. In this house. It's hidden behind the sofa. Oh yeah, with Teardown, they, I don't know if I mentioned it before in the video, but they have added multiplayer. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Want to see me play multiplayer. I mean, I won't be playing, like, the campaign. Oh shit, something's on fire. But I could, like, mess around in multiplayer for a video. Oh, jeez. Contain the fire. Contain it. Contain the fire. Okay, I think we're good. It's crazy how much damage the lightning does. It, like, puts, like, a whole entire hole through the house. Holy crap. Oh, this is a sofa. Found it. Okay, one more. One more painting I gotta steal back. I'm just gonna, oh, whoops. Oh, shoot, wait. I'm not gonna lie. I just realized I have, like, a bunch of mods on. Like, weapons. But I haven't used them, so I'm not cheating. I have not even, like, touched them until now. That's one of the mods, but I'm not gonna use it. That would be, like, really overpowered. So after this mission, I'll turn them off. Don't worry. But, if you're gonna go in the comments and be like, he's using mods! I'm not actually using the weapon. Okay, the next one is all the way at the Lee warehouse. Up hidden above an office. Oh, I was gonna smash through the gate, damn it. No! Oh, it won't spread. Fire don't spread metal. Break through. Break through the gate. Oh, that's gonna spread for sure. I gotta get out. Ah! Okay, we're good. Oh, shoot. Oh, extinguisher. I gotta get up there. Oh! Oh, damn, bro, it's gonna kill me. Ooh, I see the painting. Oh, nope, not that. Oh, it's fallen. Pick up target. I got it. Okay, now I just gotta escape. Get to the escape vehicle. I can't get caught. Oh, shit. I'm just gonna run. Run on foot. Mission complete without using mods. Okay, I'm back. says I got a new tool. Oh, I got a gun. I thought I remember getting this one in the last episode. So if I did, that's weird, but I got it again. I can shoot things, and I'm out of ammo already. New message. Nice job with the paintings. A little charred here and there. Oh, I see why. I mean, I wonder why. So I'll have to find someone to retouch them a bit before they return to Gordon. He won't know the difference. Anyway, I heard about the thunderstorm. Glad you made it out safely. Best regards, Gillian Johnson. Alright, now we got a mission from the police officer. Guess what? We found a pattern for the recently visited locations in the GPS devices you picked up from the marina. It pointed me to Hollow Rock Island, an old fish processing plant, now making some kind of energy drink. What the hell? BT is short for Blue Tide. Why didn't I think of that before? My daughter is totally addicted to that disgusting, sugary sludge. I'm here right now. It's a bit worn down, but pretty. Oh, but pretty. Better than image. I'm still trying to figure out the mobile telephone camera. Most of the island is closed off for visitors, and they don't seem very interested in answering questions. I need to find out where the Lee payments go, and if I could just have a look in the Blue Tide computers, that might bring some clarity. I was hoping you could do me this last favor. Alrighty. I've done quite a bit of investigating for you, but okay, let's do it. New map, Hollow Rock Island. Ooh. That's cool. That looks cool. New map. Oh yeah, Hollow Rock Island. Let's do it. So I gotta steal the computers. And there's gonna be the wired alarm boxes, so I do have to, plan an escape route. Okay, so after the last thing I said, I ended the recording, but I'm back. I think the next day. So I'm gonna do the mission. Blue Tide computers. Okay, I've got an okay plan, I guess. I really think this is not gonna work, but I don't really know how I can make it much faster. Most of it's on foot. So you start all the way over here. Grab this one, go through this hole in the wall that I made. Go through the gate. It's gonna be too slow, oh my god. If only I could run faster. And then I pick up this one. Keep going. And then I get in a vehicle for a very small amount of time. And I get out here. I can spray paint the whole thing. Then I go here, up the stairs, up here, and they're greenhouse area. Get the computer. Then I go into their lab testing area with all their goo and experiments. I grab the last computer, and then I go out the window. Oh, and then in the boat. Boom. So, yep, that's the plan. I'm gonna do it. Steal all 4 computers. Okay, first attempt. Boom. Oh my god, if only there's a sprint button. But I think I already am sprinting. Yeah. Oh my god, I've already burned through like so much of the timer. Oh, bad driving. $30 seconds. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna be close though. Yeah, no, there's no way. There's no way I'm making this. Wait. Escape! I did it! First try! I genuinely did not think I was gonna be able to do like 90% of that on foot, but I was. Barely, with like 1.6 seconds to spare. Damn. Well, good mission. Oh, wow. My little, like, warehouse has been turned into, like, an actual, like, home. That's cool. Wow. Because I don't know if you guys noticed, but after, like, every mission, more and more gets built. Like, there used to be, like, nothing here. I mean, no, like, furniture or anything. Now there's, like, a bunch. Oh, yeah, my room is here, I think. Yeah. Ah, I'm gonna break through it. Okay, well, I've got a bunch of money. 425 cash. I want to upgrade something. Pipe bomb gun. I want to upgrade this. I'm gonna get more rounds. And, I'll get more blowtorch fuel, I guess. Alright, well, I'm done playing Teardown for now. I'm gonna end the episode here. Let me know if you guys like when I do 2 missions, like in this episode, or the 3, like in the first few episodes of this game. That's the end of the video. See you, everybody.